Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Before proceeding, ensure your computer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down, indicating it has entered the service mode. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now, lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. If your computer is unable to enter service mode, disconnect the battery cable from the system board. To remove the solid-state drive on a Latitude 5440, identify the drive highlighted in blue. Remove the screws that secure the SSD bracket on the system board. Lift the solid-state drive thermal shield off the system slide and lift the drive off the system. To reinstall the SSD, identify the drive location highlighted in blue. Slide the drive into the slot on the system board. Align the screw holes on the drive's bracket with the screw holes on the system board. Install the screws to secure the SSD to replace the base cover. If the battery cable was disconnected earlier, make sure to reconnect it to the system board. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. To exit service mode, connect the AC adapter and press the power button. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.